Wyt ti wedi cael unrhyw profiadau personol trwy gydol ysgol o gwbl gyda hiliaeth neu gwahaniaethu?
I fy wyneb, ges i ddim profiad gwael. Hyd yn oed pan nes i ddechrau gwisgo'r hijab, a o'n i'n amlwg yn edrych yn wahanol nawr hyd yn oed yn fwy i bawb arall, achos ar y pryd oedd dim ond fi yn gwisgo fe, achos nath ffrind fi stopo gwisgo fe am amser. Ond oedd pawb yn eitha neis i wyneb fi. Fi ddim yn gwybod be oedd yn digwydd tu ôl, tu ôl cefn fi, ond i wyneb fi oedd pawb yn eitha da. So fi'n credu, mae hwnna'n dangos oedd pobl falle di dod i arfer gyda ffrind fi'n gwisgo fe'n gyntaf, a nawr oedd rhywun arall yn gwisgo fe, so oedd e ddim yn such a big deal. Ond byddwn ni'n dweud o'n i'n eitha lwcus.
That was one of the biggest worries I had for my children going to Welsh medium education was, would they stand out and not in a good way sometimes, and bring on extra unwanted attention to themselves?
And is that important to have diversity in the classroom as well as a school growing up as a young child? And why?
I think as mixed race, both my sons are mixed race children. And for me, it was important that they were in a school that didn't give them any disadvantage when it came to the identity of who they were, because at the end of the day, when they walk the streets, they are not white children. They may be fairer or paler than, fully ethnically, Asian children, for example, but they're still not fully white. So they've got this weird space that they occupy. And I thought it was really important for them not to feel weird or odd that they didn't belong.